Hello everybody, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate the techniques and methods that I use to diagnose an intermittent 1502 error that I've been having in my Bobcat 873G. To check out this 1502 error is to pull the traction lock relay. And it's the second over from the right on the bottom. Okay, when I pulled the relay, this is what I found. If you can see, there's little numbers written on where the pins go into the relay socket. And there's a pin 2 there, and I checked for voltage on pin 2, and there wasn't any voltage on pin 2, so that means that the wiring harness that goes behind and to the controller and supply voltage indicates that the wiring harness itself was okay. So it says then to replace the relay. Well, I really don't think the relay's bad, and so I'm going to do a little test to see if the relay is in fact bad. My test. I have this old PC power supply that can supply 12 volts. That's what it looks like. I've jumpered some wires to the 12 volt connections. You can see that it's reading 12 volts. I'm then going to take those wires and connect them to the 12 volt sides of the relay. Now, just listen. Just listen. You'll hear this relay click. Hear it? So that already tells me that it's probably okay. The relay is operating on the inside. It's making a connection across the 2 pins that are still open. And now if I switch my meter to continuity, we'll be able to hear, hopefully, that it's making a complete connection. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that that relay is okay. So I don't think I have a problem with my wiring harness, and I don't think I have a problem with my relay. So it must have something to do with the socket. So what I'm going to do is put that back in and feel around on the back side of the socket holder and make sure that that relay gets pushed in there really tight and makes a good connection. Relay back in. And I'm going to try to show you what I mean by making a good connection. Okay, get it. Okay, so I'm reaching underneath and I'm feeling around. I'm going to hold these relays and make sure, hear that one right there, kind of. Some of these others are loose as well. So I'm just going to push them all in, make sure they're all seated very well. Alright folks, let's give it a test. I've lowered the cab. I'm going to power on the loader and then start the engine and hit the push to operate button and see what happens.